Okay, everybody, Brenda and Justin from cleaningmarketing.com again. Today we're going to be talking about the most important conversion elements or conversion optimization for a house cleaning website. We also have a full-on homepage overview that includes all this and more video on our feed, so check that out. But right now, this is going to be a little quick one on conversion optimization. Here we go. So Brenda is the reluctant business owner, reluctant marketing. She loves her business, but she's reluctant at marketing and not so into the techie side. And I'm sort of the geeky techno marketing guy who's attempting to help her.
Okay.
Okie dokie. So Brenda, what is it you like and don't like about your conversion on your website?
Well, my website is really, really pretty. Everyone tells me how pretty my website is, but it's not bringing me in new clients.
Right.
What do I do?
Okay. So assuming you have traffic come into your website, we'll look at that another time. Let's talk about the things you should do on your website to get the most people to reach out and want to work with you. Right?
That'd be great.
So starting at the top of the website, right, what we call the header, where there's the logo, and what you should have up there is your phone number. Mobile clickable. What that means is if someone's on a mobile, they can click that phone number and it actually initiates conversation, so they don't have to try and go to there and dial, and makes it really easy for them.
Okay,
right?
Got it.
And also a call to action up there. Whatever your main thing is, request a quote, estimate, consultation, make it really easy for them to click that, go to a form and fill that out. Some people are going to lean toward the phone. Some people are going to lean toward a form. So you need both of them to capture as much as possible.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
Okay. So you want that form and you want to make sure you get that form.
Okay.
Okay. All right. And next, in that hero section of the website, which typically has a big photo on it, that is a really important section. So we're talking about above the fold, that first 2 seconds when someone comes to your website, they'll see that header, and then they're going to see what? A stock photo of baloney stuff that's not even your business? No. That's not what we want. We want a picture of you or someone in your business or your whole team, holding arms like this or something. So you've got authentic, real representation of your business there.
Okay.
All right. People want to get warmed up to you guys.
But I don't have any photos like that now, and I don't have time to get a photographer.
Well, you don't need one. You can just use a cell phone. Believe it or not, they're not going to look Hollywood quality, but you can just use your cell phone with some indirect lighting and get great photos. So don't sweat it. Don't overthink it. It's the being there and having those authentic photos is way more important than exactly how perfect they are, right? You also want a message up there, right? So there's this nice picture, but it's like, what is it about you guys what do you do? You need to make it super clear, right? They just came to your website. They don't know you. What do you do? We do house cleaning and XYZ, or just house cleaning and maid services, right? And what's a little different about you than other people? We're the most responsive. We're guaranteed. We're worry-free. We're organic. Whatever it is, get one of those things in there so they get an idea of how you stand out from your competitors. Make sense? Okie dokie. How about reviews? You ever know anything about reviews?
We don't like Yelp.
I love it. Yeah, a lot of people don't, right? But and you don't have to put Yelp reviews on your website, especially if they're not stellar, but you do want to have some. So now someone's seen you, they know a little bit about your business, and now if you can have some reviews there, displayed on your website that are ported in, or a feed of reviews coming in from Google or Facebook or somewhere else, and the best ones, put a little icon there that'll show that it's from Google or Facebook or whatever. So if you've got that, then that's what we call social proof, as opposed to just copying and pasting some testimonial someone wrote you 5 years ago and slapping it on your website. That doesn't carry that much trust and credibility as the reviews that are fed into your website. So there's a lot of tools that can do that, and they will put, as new reviews come in, they get displayed on your website. So it's super awesome to do that, and that'll really help. So now they see you, they see what you do, and now they're seeing what other people say about you. And that is a huge, huge factor in them reaching out and requesting a quote or an estimate or whatever.
Well, I have a guarantee where do I display that on the website?
Yeah, if you do have a guarantee, we suggest making a guarantee badge, a unique, cool one branded to your colors that says essentially what your guarantee is, and then maybe support that with a couple bullets if you need to, so people get a sense of even further trust. Here's what other people say about you, and here's them putting their credibility on the line and helping you be really comfortable with or their prospects reaching out to work with you because they know that you have a commitment to service.
Okay.
Those are the essential elements that you want people to see, not just on your homepage, but on other pages on your site as well. So there's a bunch of ways that can get designed in, but you definitely want to make sure that as much of that gets displayed no matter what page someone comes to on your website, from however, search, ads, referrals, whatever. You want them to get that story quick so you can get that phone call or form submit.
Okay, so let me recap this to make sure I have it right.
Okie dokie.
Okay, so when someone comes to my website, I want to very quickly tell them a lot of things, but really, really fast.
Yeah.
So I need to have my phone number at the top.
Oh.
And it has to be clickable.
Yeah.
I don't need my logo bigger, although I think it should be bigger. Big logo. I need a call to action. So when they come to my site, if they'll know what to do.
Yep.
It needs to immediately say what it is I do and how I'm different.
Yep.
It's got to have a big photo of my team or my truck, but authentic photos.
You got a truck?
I got a big ass truck. I do. I need to have reviews that come in magically from a tool, the internet, onto my website.
Yep. From the different social profiles where people can leave you reviews, you want to get them fed into there.
Okay.
Yep. Review feed.
So very important. A way to get in touch with me, who I am, the warm fuzzy, and what I do. Credibility and proof by the reviews that I'm the one to go with.
That's right. And those are all just classic marketing things. The old marketing funnel is people get to know you, they like you, and they trust you, and then they try working with you, right? So you're trying to actually pack all that in to as tight of a little box, or not box, but as quick of a read as possible, right?
Okay.
Cool.
All right.
Well, there is conversion optimization for a house cleaning website. The key elements that you got to have to really make that website perform. Look for other videos for advertising, driving traffic, doing the whole rest of the website and all that stuff on our YouTube channel.
YouTube.
All right. Thanks, everybody. See ya.